Now, hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Got a late start there. I couldn't believe the AC was not on, but it's off by now, so let's get a free one in there. All right, this is a solitaire palm tree in the Dougherty Garden. These are solitaire palm seedlings. Rather a little distinct than some of the other seedlings because they have an unusual base, and not that I'm an expert, but 9 times out of 10 I'll usually see the seed buds in there. And I'm just looking, leaves are falling because that's my Madagascar tree that's only shedding leaves at the moment. Apparently I didn't get any seeds, but we'll find it out. But let me just show you what a solitaire tree looks like. Let me get over here in the middle and just give you the right smack in the middle. That tall, thin palm tree is a solitaire palm tree. And when I was collecting the seeds many years ago, I kept on confusing the solitaire palm tree with another palm tree, not a solitaire. And sadly, I had a hard time collecting the seeds because every time I picked it up, I thought it was having a solitaire palm tree, but in fact, I was picking up another seed. And God, that thing forgets me at the moment. We'll find out what it is. I got to redo that bouquet because I planted a tree for her, and I just can't find what it is or remember it at the moment. So there's short-term memory. Look what you got. Look at the forwards and just went right down the drain. Well, anyway, this is the solitaire palm trees. Very pretty little palm tree. Usually when you plant these little puppies, it's a good idea to plant them 2, 3, 4 in a clump. But usually when you plant them, try and plant them in such a manner that the leaves don't hit each other's trunks or leaves. I think leaves is no problem, but try and at least the canopy of the tree doesn't hit the other trunk. And then try like a couple of feet. I have a few of them out there. I learned my lesson over time because if you crowd two things, it doesn't look pretty. When you give them a little space to breathe, they're ever so pretty. Just go around the neighborhood and you see these tall, thin, solitaire palm trees really look pretty. So this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Mills here. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll get out there and get back to you. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.